Hi, I'm Ryan Brenna. I'm a value stream manager here at Renewal by Andersen. I manage majority of the supply chain in our business. I've worked with Renewal for 16 years, but I started my Andersen journey almost 31 years ago. When I started, it was right out of high school. And my dad said, hey, go get a job at Andersen, because my dad had worked here for his entire career. I started as a temporary worker, back loading boxcars and shipping trailers, was a team lead. I worked in supply chain. I came to Renewal in 2016 as a supervisor. During my supervisor era, I think I supervised every area in the plant at the time. I was able to be a supply chain manager and work with our purchasing team. I've been able to spend time as an installation manager at our retail business. And now I'm back home. I'm back home in operations, and this is where I thrive the most. One of my biggest thrills on a daily basis is being able to walk on the shop floor and interact with the people, picking the parts, making the windows, shipping the windows out. It's interacting with them and understanding how their day is going, what their challenges are.
I love being here. Renewal's been a great company to work for.
I can't say anything but great things about our team.
And you have people from all different walks of life. We have amazing product designs. We have top-notch equipment and processes. But truly, what it comes down to is amazing people.
We work for Renewal by Andersen. The sky is the limit.
I have never, ever worked for a company that cares so deeply about its employees.
I applied for this job 10 years ago to be an inside sales agent. I was really just looking for the next job. Little did I know the journey I was about to embark on with Renewal by Andersen.
For me, I hope this is the last place I ever work.
I congratulate everybody who's taken an opportunity to broaden their horizons and think of construction as the place to be, because it is growing and it is fun, and I really, really think you'll enjoy it.
What I tell the people that I work with every day is it's not a job, it's a career path. You can make what you want out of it. When I think of Renewal, I think of growth and opportunity. We're growing as a business, we're growing our people. Renewal by Andersen truly is a great place. I would encourage anybody and everyone to come see it for themselves.